Hey, what's up? I just want to say, you really look amazing. Oh, yeah, so, really look awesome, and I just want to say hi, that's all. So, yeah, I feel really, really happy for you, no matter what. So, yeah, I just wanted to say hi. So, hey. Oh, hi, it's really something you always gotta make me laugh every time. Well, it's always a deal. Anyway, how you doing? Fine. It's just really surprising that you came and hi, so I just feel so flirty and awesome right now. So, yeah, hi, and so, wanna go on a date? Sure. You're so awesome no matter what. I will never forget you. Me either. You're so funny. I'm really happy. Yeah. I love you. I love you too.